Determine the slope of the line given 2 points. Ano ba pag sinabi nating slope? Pag sinabi nating slope, hahanapin lang natin yung steepness. When we say steepness, no? Yung steepness, susukatin natin yung inclination o yung pinaka-slant, yung pagiging slant ng ating line. So, yun yung hahanapin natin in a form of slope. So, ngayon, we have to plot first yung 2 points natin. So, hanapin natin yung negative 4 at 2. So, yung negative 4 sa x-axis, tapos negative 2. So, hanapin natin. So, negative 4 at negative 2. So, ito yung point natin. So, let us name this point as point 1. So, sulat natin yung name niya, point 1. So, that is P1. So, point 1. Now, let us find yung ating next point, yung ating 6 at negative 6. So, positive 6 sa x-axis, tapos negative 6. So, ito yung pangalawang point natin. Pangalanan natin ito as point 2. So, na-identify na natin yung mga, o na-plot na natin yung mga points. Ngayon, i-connect natin itong point na to using yung ating ruler. So, connect lang natin silang dalawa. And then, don't forget to write yung dalawang arrowhead sa dulo. What does it mean? It means na yung line natin ay continuous sa both direction. So, continuous yung line natin in both direction. So, next naman is, once na na-plot na natin yung points, nakapag-form tayo ng line using yung 2 points. Ngayon, so this would be yung ating point 1. Ito yung ating point 2. Ngayon, kung yan ang point 1, let us name yung ating coordinates. So, yung point 1, yung first coordinate na negative 4, this would be our x sub 1. And then, yung negative 2, yan yung ating y sub 1. Tapos, yung sa point 2, yung x sub 2, yung 6. Tapos, yung y sub 2, yung negative 6. Ngayon, recall natin, ano ba yung formula natin in getting slope? Slope is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So, substitute lang natin yung mga ordered pair na yan. Ano ba yung y sub 2 natin? So, yung y sub 2 natin is negative 6. And then, susubtract natin siya sa ano yung y sub 1 natin. Ang y sub 1 natin is negative 2. Susulat natin yung negative 2. So, don't forget na ilagay natin yung yung close parenthesis, negative 2. No? Okay, negative 2. And then, sa denominator, yung x sub 2. Ang value ng x sub 2 natin is 6. Subtract natin, minus. So, yung x sub 1 natin is minus 4. So, isulat natin yung x sub 2 natin. Yung x sub 1 rather. X sub 1 natin is negative 4. So, this would be negative 4. So, ano pang rule natin pag tayo ay nagsusubtract ng integers? Ang rule natin dyan is 3 C. Okay, ano ba tong C na to? So, teka. So, ano nga pa yung 3 C na yan? So, ito yung copy, then change, tapos change. So, CCC, copy, change, change. So, ibig sabihin, para tayo ay mag-subtract ng integers, kakopy muna natin yung first term. So, ano ba yung first term natin? So, yung first term natin is negative 6. So, sulat natin, negative 6. Then, yung next step natin, sabi daw change. I-change mo yung opposite sign niya. Anong opposite sign ng negative? That is positive. So, gagawin natin tong positive. Plus. Okay? So, sumunod, yung pangalawang term, i-change mo daw. So, ito, i-change mo. So, from minus 2 or from negative 2, magiging plus 2. So, plus 2 natin. So, no need to put yung plus 2. So, automatic, 2 na yan. And then, 6, copy natin. Copy. And then, yung sign natin dito, ang nakasulat, is change mo into positive. So, positive. And then, yung second term natin, change mo yung sign niya from negative, magiging positive. So, i-add natin, magiging plus 4 ito. So, no need to put yung plus sign, yung positive sign. So, simply write 4. So, sulat lang natin ay 4. Okay. So, dahil na-subtract na natin, no, i-simplify pa natin lalo. So, that is equal to a negative 6 plus 2. Ano bang rule natin? Pag tayo'y nag-a-add ng unlike terms, so ang gagawin lang natin, subtract 6 minus 2, that is 4. And then, ano yung sign ng largest number? Ano yung sign niya? So, that is negative. Kaya ito ay negative 4. Next, 6 plus 4, simply equals to 10. So, ngayon, masisimplify pa ba natin? Yes, pwede pa nating simplify ito. So, pwede nating i-divide itong numerator sa 2, yung denominator sa 2, para ma-simplify natin. So, sulat natin. So, negative 4 divided by negative 2, negative divided by positive is negative. So, 4 divided by 2, that is 2. So, negative 2 all over 10 divided by negative 2. So, that is equal to positive 5. So, yung slope natin is negative 2 over 5. So, this would be yung ating final answer. So, ito yung answer natin for example number 2. Ngayon, i-verify muna natin at i-describe yung ating graph kung tama nga siya. Okay? So, ito, we can rewrite this slope as m is equal to, lalagay mo sa gitna, 2 over 5. Pwede nating isulat yan. So, kapag may nakita kayo, it's either pwede nyong ilagay sa gitna yung ating negative sign. So, ngayon, i-describe nga natin yung ating graph. So, yung slope natin is negative. So, anong ibig sabihin pag ang slope natin is negative? So, mapapansin mo, yung line natin ay pababa. So, that means kapag ang slope ay negative, it means downward yung line natin. So, pababa yung line. So we can describe yung line natin as what? The line falls to the right. So, isulat ko. The line falls to the right. Or, pwede rin namang decreasing to the right. Kasi pababa. Take note, pag negative, pababa yung ating line. So, ngayon, i-check nga natin bakit nakuha na 2 over 5. So, ganito. Ang gagawin lang natin, sukatin muna natin yung rise over run niya. So, we have another formula of getting yung slope, di ba? Di ba, m is equal to rise over run. So, yung rise dito, susukatin natin, titingnan natin kung ilan yung distance or ilan yung vertical distance from point 1 to point 2. Tapos yung run naman, titingnan natin yung distance ng horizontal distance from point 1 to point 2. So, ganito, dun muna tayo sa run. Hanapin natin. Pag sinabi nating run, titingnan natin yung distance ng P1 ng P1 dun sa P2. So, ilagay natin dito. Ilagay natin. So, sulat lang natin. Dito, we have here. Ito, gamitin natin itong kulay na to. So, sukatin natin dito. Bilangin natin from P1 to P2. Ilan ba yung distance nila sa isa't isa? Okay? doon sa ating, yung distance nila, yung horizontal distance, I mean. So, bilangin natin. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, that means yung ating run, so yung run natin is 10. So, 10 yung ating run. Sige, sulat ko dito sa kabilang side. So, 10 yung ating run. Tapos, compute naman natin yung ating rise. So, pag rise yan, from point 1 to point 2, di ba? Pag pupunta ka from point 1 to point 2, bababa ka? What does it mean? So, ibig sabihin, kung bababa ka, kung point 1 to point 2, dahil bababa ka, that means negative. So, that is how many units pababa. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, we have here 4 units. So, negative 4. Bakit negative 4? Kasi downward. From P1 to P2, papunta sa P1, P2, bababa ka. So, negative, no? So, that means negative 4. Yan at ito yung ating rise. Now, ma'am, paano nangyari na ang sagot natin ay negative 2 at 5? Actually, hindi lang naman yan ang mga points ng ating line. So, we can choose other points. So, halimbawa, ito yung pinili ko. Kuha tayo ng ibang kulay. Halimbawa, ito ang kinuha ko. Itong point na to, no? Tapos, ano pa, yung point na to at point na to ang ginamit ko. We can use other points. So, you have to find 2 points, tapos i-check natin yung kanilang slope. So, yung 2 points natin dito, tingnan ninyo kung ilan yung rise at run natin. So, yung distance niya dito, we have 1, 2, teka, back natin. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5 units. Tapos, dahil tayo ay pababa, bibilangin mo, ilan? We have 2 units, kaya ito ay negative 2. So, tama ba? So, tama ba na ang rise natin ay 2, ang run natin ay 5? So, you can choose any 2 points. Kahit anong points ang gamitin mo dyan, ang makukuha mong slope ay negative 2 over 5. So, ni-lowest term lang natin. So, isulat natin dito. Our answer would be, so, sulat natin ang sagot natin. We have here negative 2 yung ating rise. Tapos, 5 yung ating run. So, ang tanong, the same ba doon sa ating nasolve? Yes, the same. So, therefore, this would be our answer for example number 2. Yung slope niya is equal to negative 2 over 5 or equal siya saan? Or equal siya sa negative 2 over 5. Ay, sulat lang natin ng maayos. So, isulat natin. So, pwedeng, ang sagot natin is negative, sa gitna, ang sulat, then 2 all over 5. So, the same lang din ang sagot. So, that's all. So, dahil yan ay negative, decreasing to the right or the line falls to the right. Take note.